How to view card transactions online in Regions Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to monitor your Regions Bank card spending, well here is how to view card transactions online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here, once you are in this website, simply log in with your credentials and once logged in from a dashboard, just click accounts and select the debit or credit card you want to check. And after that, you simply have to go to transactions or activity to see a list of recent purchases and payments. And there you can filter by date, transactions type, or merchant to quickly find specific charges. So there, click on any transaction to see more details, including date, amount, and merchant information. And with that, just a pro tip is that reviewing your card transaction regularly helps you to catch unauthorized charges early. And that's it. That's how you can view card transactions online in Regions Bank. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.